What's up everyone, welcome back to Richard Small's YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing this Ruroc Core Carbon Track Atlas 4.0. Ruroc is kind of a newer company, and I believe they're based out of the UK, and we decided to give them a try. So we ordered their Core Carbon. Actually, the name is on this side. So this is what we ordered. We ordered the Atlas 4.0 track in the Core Carbon color. Originally I wanted to order the ruby red, but the black is just a lot more cleaner, so we went ahead and ordered that one. The packaging isn't nothing too fancy, and let's go ahead and open the box. So this just have this one seal on here that says Ruroc, so let's go ahead and open it up. Very protected box. So here we have a shockwave little box. We didn't order the shockwave because we do have a Cardo. And here is the helmet itself. Let me go ahead and take this box out. But I do want to say that with the shockwave uses a JBL system, and we do already have the Cardo, so we didn't order the shockwave. It's $200-300 if you do want to order it though. Is the helmet's box itself. It says Ruroc Atlas 4.0 track. Beautiful box. One thing that I do want to say is that Ruroc has amazing customer support. We ordered this helmet when it was on sale, I believe for $4.99 or so, and it's usually around $800-900. And it did take a while for them to ship it because of customs, but I do want to say that they have one of the best customer services out there. And now let's go ahead and get into the box itself. So we have this racetrack. Very nice packaging. And here is the helmet itself. Box, you're gonna get a visor, the helmet itself. Down here you have some padding. And then you have this, I'm not sure what this is, probably like some paperwork. And then here is the box itself. Let's go ahead, get this up on the motorcycle little stand, and let's go ahead and take the cover off. You're just gonna open it up right here. So on the bottom of the helmet itself, you have this little pull string. So let's go ahead and get this opened and take the cover off and see how it looks. So I've been wanting one of these helmets for a little while now, so to actually get one is really awesome. Very nice packaging. The helmet is covered in this protective layer. And here is the helmet itself. Very beautiful. So here is the helmet in all of its beauty. I do have to say this is a phenomenal looking color. It is just carbon fiber, and then it has some vinyls on top. You have a little winglet back here. The track visor, I believe that this is just a clear one. We have this cover on here. I don't want to take it off just yet. Kind of hard to open the visor with one hand, but very nice. Now talking about the weight of the helmet, this weighs probably the same or maybe a little bit more than the Arai, but overall a great looking helmet. And then right now we have the clear visor on, and let's take a look at the smoked one that they give you. They do come with 2 visors, so you can order the other colors if you want. I believe they have some pretty like cool looking colors, such as like blue. They have some gold ones and some other ones like that, but with the helmet itself, you're gonna get this clear one and then this smoked one right here. Is a better look at that carbon fiber under the sun. This helmet is very beautiful. Let's go ahead and try it on to see how it fits. This size that I ordered is a medium large. When ordering, you might want to just double make sure with them because they have a medium large and a large XL, and that's where I was getting confused on because, you know, they are both larges. But medium large fits perfect. Very, very snug and very nice helmet. It actually might be a bit better than the Arai. So I do really like this helmet. After we do the first ride, I'll make a quick little short about how this helmet is. But overall, so far, very nice helmet. I like the Darth Vader look. But overall, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.